Another interesting part of new media is the fact that we are constantly connected to it and has created this sense of constant connectivity in our lives. Oftentimes, new media blurs the lines between our professional and our personal lives. So people may use new media for non-work related purposes while at work, for example, in a practice called cyber slacking, where a person might be at work, but they are scrolling through Facebook or Reddit or watching a YouTube video here and there. And predictably, companies don't really like cyber slacking a whole lot. They don't want to pay their employees for going on social media unless that is actually their job. But actually, cyber slacking can help relieve boredom, it can help reduce stress, and in some cases can also lead to greater job satisfaction. But in addition, this constant connectivity makes it so that we are reachable nearly any time. And so it often increases the expectation that people will continue working from home or while on vacation, right? For example, I have friends who work in traditional office settings, and whenever they have a scheduled vacation, their boss will say to them, okay, you're bringing your work phone with you, right? And they have fought back and they said, no, I'm not bringing my work phone with me. I'm not going to be connected to work when I'm not getting paid to work, when I'm on vacation. And so there's been like some pushback against this idea, but oftentimes bosses expect you to be reachable at any given time, whether you get sent an email at 3 p.m. or at 6 p.m. They often want you to be looking at your email and being connected, having your email on your phone, all of those sorts of things. And this can have benefits as well as drawbacks. It can be comforting sometimes to know that you are connected, and it can also cause anxiety to know that you are connected all of the time, right? It can be convenient and it can make things more efficient, but it can also create a dependence. For example, at least one study has found that 3/4 of people would panic if they lost their smartphone. So we are definitely becoming more dependent on our new media devices, and we are constantly connected to one another, whether we like it or not. So this definitely has an impact on ourselves and on our relationships.